Hello everyone and welcome to Camming with Bella Marie. In this video I'll be going over basic steps on how to get started as a webcam model. I'll go over the requirements, how to apply with your application, and what you'll need to get you started. Please take a quick moment to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll also be making other videos on how I made over $60K in a year as a part-time model, why you should become a webcam model, how to choose the right cam site, and the big question I always get asked is, should you work for a studio or work from home? Alright, grab your pens and papers, class is in session. So, first things first, here are the requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid government-issued ID and social, and this is just to verify that you're of legal age to become a model. Your steps. You first want to choose the cam site platform you wish to cam on. Submit in an application, which will include your name, your date of birth, and your personal information. Create a model profile. You're then going to set up and create an account. Once your account has been verified and approved, you're ready to log in and start making money. Now, while you're waiting on approval, here are some things to start working on and thinking about. Your model name. Get creative and think of a unique model name. I suggest not using your legal name. Think of a niche. You want to be different in your own way. What will you present to your audience? Start thinking of how many hours per week you want to cam. Your cam area. Will you cam in your bedroom or set up a designated space in your home? And of course, we can't cam without these three major components. What you'll need. Either a laptop or a computer. I have both. Of course, I only use one at a time, but they both work well for streaming. You'll need an external webcam. A built-in laptop camera will work. However, for the best video quality, an external HD web camera is suggested. I use the Logitech C920, so that's what I recommend. Of course, an internet connection is needed. Basic internet is okay to begin with. However, I suggest high-speed internet as it ensures faster connection and a better video quality. And that, my friends, is how to get started as a webcam model. Thanks for camming with Bella Marie, and make sure you subscribe and like my YouTube channel for upcoming videos.